So thank you so much for watching this video. This is for a lecture that I am planning to give on February 18th at the College of Charleston as part of their Linguistics Studies Lecture Series, and it's called How Math Helps Us Better Understand Language. So let's talk a little bit about language. First, language is a uniquely human ability. There are communication systems that other animals have, but humans have language, which is a communication system that has a unique kind of complexity. And we can investigate many different things about language, including, for example, what we actually know when we know language. What is that knowledge? How is it represented in our minds? How language knowledge develops in children, right? How do we come to know what we know? And how we use language to communicate different types of information.